My tub drain was plugged, so I needed to take this off. I couldn't figure it out at first, but to show you how to get it off, this screws into there. And I found this hex wrench. I found this hex thing. If I applied this wouldn't be the technical tool to use, but it fit in the hole in here. And I'm just going to show you that pushes down and that goes on top. So to take this off, to take this off, push down and then turn the other way. That comes off. I pull up a little bit, finish taking that off, and then take this tool and pull to one side. Going counterclockwise, that would unscrew that, and then you can clean out your drain.